Very good morning to everyone. Distinguished guests on the dais, Dr. Pararaj Segaram, the chief guest of this morning, and a close associate of Dr. V from the beginning. The trustees of Goval Trust, and Dr. Vijay Podar, Dr. Bill Stewart, and invited guests from regionally, nationally, and international guests who have responded to our invitation and gracing this function. I welcome you all for this very important one, not only for us, but also for everyone who has been associated with Dr. V from the beginning, including those I also welcome some of our patients who have come here, and more important, our sponsors who have been helping us from the beginning, because Dr. V thought that this is the community support which has helped us to come to this level. Not the doctors, not the paramedical people, not others, but those who have been in the community who have been helping us. And it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this memorable function. Initially, we thought that it is a memorial function, but we changed it into a retreat center because it is not going to be just a visiting place for those who come and go, but it will be a reflection of intellectual teachings and the life example of Dr. V. And also it is not just an emotional attachment like a memorial building, but it will be whomsoever they visit this center will get influenced by his way of life, by his way of teachings, by his way of how he founded this institution from the beginning in 1976. And this, you will be seeing this architecture, and this has been well planned, and also then named is appropriately Nityata, perpetuity. And also it is, the retreat center will have a meditation center, or aptly described by Vijay Podar. He believed in spirituality, and spirituality not by the other way of religious things, but it's by way of meditation. And also to conduct retreats and management retreats or spiritual retreats, which has brought this institution to this level. And that is what it is. It will be a center for as a retreat, different from. And this value based on spiritualism and the social well-being have contributed to the evolution of the unique eye center from the beginning, and giving the efficient service to the people, who mostly to the downtrodden people, 65 to 70% of the people who cannot afford, and that is the basic aim of Dr. V. And that is, and the center, which is to honor the life and works of the luminary, will serve as a space for contemplative practice as well as collective strategic planning and organizational retreats, just like I told you. Hundreds and thousands of national and international visitors to Arvind from the sphere of ophthalmology, including the faculty members, fellows and students, those who visit this institution, if they take back some of his life examples, that is how he lived by example, taught by example, discipline or punctuality or the perfectionism or whatever it is, if they take back some part of that in their life by visiting this center, that will satisfy the ideals, the background of this retreat center. Now that the visionary is not physically available for us to teach, everyone who visits here will definitely have some influence. As you visit the Meenakshi Amman temple, you get some sort of comforts and blessings. When you go to the Vivekananda Center Memorial Rock, it's not you are seeing the Memorial Rock, but you are reminded of the reverberation of the Sri Vivekananda teaching. If that kind of a feeling, if you get when you enter into this retreat center, that is the basis, that is the thing which will satisfy all of us, rather than just a memorial place where they come and go. That is what we wanted. And his spiritual ideas and remained his innovations, which he brought this institution into this level. And in this center, you will hear his soundless words. It was not out of some sort of philanthropic feeling that I did something good for the people. It's not by philanthropy. It was more like a feeling that they were one with me. Their suffering is mine. If we heal it, we heal ourselves. I felt a part of me is suffering with them. I am suffering from what they were suffering, and I heal them. I am healing them as if I am healing myself. And that is the way Dr. V, and if you feel that kind of a feeling when you enter into this retreat center, that will satisfy all of us. This is the basis of his message to the healthcare providers in general, ophthalmologists in particular. This will serve to propagate the message all over India as well as abroad, what he has taught us handful of people, but it will disseminate to the entire setting. As I said, it will be an intellectual learning rather than the emotional setting. The divine services of Dr. V were indeed a fulfillment of God's mission for a man with the freedom of choice and with honor, as though he was the maker and the molder himself. These are the words of our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he remembered Dr. V. I will also recall what one of our visitors, previous visitors, now he is with us. I have no doubt that all the lights he has inspired within each one of us will ignite and burn around the globe from the vision he has given us generously all over the globe. It's a truth that Dr. V, through all those he touched and served, will live further, and he is light of compassion, inspiration, and healing. These are the words by no other than Dr. William Stewart. Just he is here. A few years ago, he meant that, and he has given. So we would like to have such inspirations from his life, his teachings, experience by going through that. Today we are fortunate to have Dr. Para Rajasekaran, who was a close associate from 1960s. He has come here as a chief guest to inaugurate the Tamil Nadu State Ophthalmic Conference when Dr. V worked in the Madurai Medical College in 1961. From that time onwards, he has worked in various capacities with Dr. V, and he is the right person to come and inaugurate this retreat center. So we thought we welcome you, sir, for this important function. And Bill Stewart and his group, and Christine Melton here, Astrid Fisher here, Marilyn Miller is here, all were close associates of Dr. V, worked with him to develop this organization to this level, and all my colleagues and everybody is here. And I welcome one and all of you for this important function as a retreat center. And this gives us a great honor. I just quote the Netrata, Satyata, and Nityata constitute the mantra of this center. Netrata means vision, to create an illuminated globe. Satyata means mission, to achieve that goal with the truthfulness and honesty. And Nityata means the perpetuity, the memory. Dr. V, Nityata. So it's combination of all these things have been put together for this retreat center, Nityata. I welcome one and all of you, the press, the people, the invited guests, once again, all the distinguished people on the dais of the dais for this function. Thank you very much.